Hello everyone. So it was somewhere in 1990s while I was a kid. I was told about this concept of IQ, which is about intelligent quotient. It was told that if you're intelligent, that is checked by a factor called IQ and it is tested. And my understanding is that was the norm of those days that intelligent quotient is a very important factor which determines who you are and how you are going to achieve professional success. And soon the days passed by and the internet revolution came by, and you are able to get any information you need by a click of a button. Information is available in abundance, but what is needed is an extra intelligence to sense what you need. And still, things were progressing by, and then came machine learning, where machines are able to perform tasks which humans could do. And this is when we had to go somewhere beyond, where our competitions were not with human beings but with machines. And that is where we have to find that competitive advantage which distinguishes human beings apart from machines. And if we could look into one factor, that is emotions. And again, artificial intelligence was picking up, and machines are even able to learn emotions and sense things and act accordingly. But well, emotional quotient was the next thing. How do we really stay calm under critical situations? And how do we stay composed when the external environment is completely chaotic? And how do we maintain the decorum? And all these things were the next important part. But going ahead, the most important thing, which is even more specific to human beings, was looking internal and connecting to the inner self, if you want to call it. And that is where the new concept, it's not new, maybe we can call it as the old wine in new bottle. It's like the basic concepts of tradition and spirituality entering in, where we need to have that connect with the inner self so that we are able to have that natural state of calmness, natural state of peacefulness and efficiency. And that leads to the concept of spiritual quotient, which is more about exploring the inner self and connecting to the inner goodness and understanding that being peaceful, calm, and everything is a natural nature of someone. And I think that is the new thing which we have to go about with, whether it is technological development or whatever advancement which we are doing in science. If we are forgetting something which is the inherent part of the self, then maybe we are missing something big on search of something which we thought was a bigger achievement. So, all bigger achievements have a small component which is the core. And I feel the core of that is connecting with the inner self, which is the spiritual quotient. So, if we are able to master and if we are able to improve our spiritual quotient, then that is a natural way that our emotional quotient will improve, and that gives us the power to identify what is the right information that we should access from this world of information so that our intelligent quotient is also in the right place. So that sums up between the intelligent quotient, emotional quotient, and spiritual quotient. Thank you for listening. If you listened at all, and this is a random thought on a Friday morning. So usually Friday is I take a little relaxed time in the morning to explore, and it's time to again take some time to have a rewinding. So thank you for listening. Hope it was useful.